Hey there, welcome to my AI automation channel on YouTube. Today I'm excited to show you step by step how to create stunning AI generated videos just like this one using a combination of 3 powerful platforms. I've HeyGen for hyper-realistic avatars, ElevenLabs for training your AI voice clone, and Make.com to automate the entire video creation process. I'll guide you step by step on how to utilize HeyGen to design your hyper-realistic AI avatar, harness the capabilities of ElevenLabs for voice cloning, and seamlessly integrate these with Make.com to automate your workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the tools you need to create professional AI-driven videos effortlessly. Please subscribe to the channel and feel free to join my school community. All of the links are in the description below, and without further ado, let's get started right now. Hey there, and welcome to this complete course showing how to create AI avatar videos using a powerful platform called HeyGen. So I've got the website pulled up here. This is what we're going to be using to create the avatar videos in this course. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. You can create your own avatar based on your videos that you will upload to HeyGen. And you can also create an AI voice clone using this platform as well. So pretty much all you have to do is feed it a script and it will speak the words, which is amazing. So you're going to want to get started with HeyGen. It's completely free to start. And then they also offer paid plans as well. If you come over to pricing here, you can check out the different pricing plans. And I've actually got the creator plan, which is $29 per month. And that allows you to create unlimited videos up to 30 minutes, 1080p, fast video processing. And then you can do a lot of other things as well, including voice cloning, which I'll show you how to use set up in HeyGen and then also in ElevenLabs as well, which is a separate platform for creating professional voice clones. So if you're excited to learn more about how to use HeyGen to create your own AI avatar videos, like I'm already doing on my YouTube channel and then also in the school community, then this is the course for you. With that being said, let's get started. I'll see you in the next module. Welcome back. So once you've created your free account on HeyGen, you're obviously going to want to log in. So I'm just going to sign in real quick, and then it will put me into my dashboard. So this is what you see when you first log into HeyGen, anytime you log into HeyGen. And you have a couple different options here. You can turn a photo into a video with Avatar 4. So basically you just upload a photo, give it a script, and it will create an entire video for you, which I'm currently already doing. So we'll see what that looks like a little bit later. You can also join the video agent waitlist. So this is another new thing that they're coming out with. It's the Creative OS. So if you want to join that, you can join and then get access when it's available. You've got another thing here for quick avatar videos, which I haven't used yet, but basically you can choose from many custom pre-designed avatars here and then just create your own talking avatar using a script. You can also translate videos. So that's another really powerful thing about HeyGen, is that it can talk in any language, basically. You can do audio dubbing, you can do translations, and basically you can create videos up to 30 minutes on the creator plan. So if I want to drop in a video and translate it into another language, I can do that from here as well. You can also create your own avatar. So in this case, I'm on the creator plan. I will need to upgrade to a different plan to create more avatar videos. And there's a couple other things in here you can do as well. You can also see some of your recent creations. So as you can see here, I've got some creations that I've already made. And if I want to watch that, I can just click here and watch the video from directly within HeyGen. So I can do that from here. You can also edit the video, which I'll show you how to do a little bit later once we've created our own first avatar video. Welcome back. In this step, we're going to be actually training our AI avatar video. So as you can see, I already have my AI mic clone right here. So if I click on it, you can see what this looks like. It's hyper realistic. It looks almost exactly like me. and we could just scrub through and you can see kind of what the video looks like here. And you can also add gestures. So if I want to make a pointing gesture, I can do that. I can edit the look as well. And in order to show you how to create one of these AI avatars, I actually need to delete this one because I can only create one at a time on the creator plan. Otherwise, I need to upgrade to get more avatar slots. And I actually want to improve this one a little bit anyway. So I'm just going to delete this. And as you can see, I only have 2 more avatar replacements this month, which is fine. So I'm just going to delete this avatar, and I want to improve a few things on it. So I'm just going to click on Start with. It'll play you a little demo video right here. And now you can read through the footage instructions. So you need to make sure to use the right equipment. And like I say, submit 2 to 5 minutes of unedited video footage with a professional camera. So the more video footage that you provide it, the better. I just have a little 2-minute clip that I'm going to upload. And then you also want to make sure to set the right environment, ideally something, a beautiful backdrop. Speak naturally and clearly. So maintain a steady pace, pausing 1 to 2 seconds between sentences with lips closed, and subtle movement, clear expressions. So those are the guidelines for the video. And now here we can either upload the footage, record via a webcam, or record via a phone. In this case, I already have the video footage ready to go. So I'm just going to come over here and select my sample video. So there we are. That's the sample video that I'm going to use. And as you can see, it's about 2.5 minutes long. And key point here is it's got a very nice backdrop. So this is just a beach where I live in Koh Samui. And yeah, so that's really gets people's attention, right? And here you can either keep the ambient sounds in the recording or you can remove them. I think I'm actually going to keep them. And then you can do background removal as well. So that allows background changes and removal when using the avatar. I might as well keep that selected. And then you can also turn on 4K resolution, but you will need to upgrade to the team plan in order to do that. And I don't really need that because the video is in 1080. So I'm just going to select next. And here I'm actually going to have to do this off camera because I need to record the following script and then just give them permission to use my video. So I'm going to do that real quick and then I'll come right back to you. Okay, so now I've finished recording the video. It just gives them permission to use your likeness. Essentially, it takes about 10 to 20 seconds to validate the consent. And now the consent is validated. So I'm going to select next. And as you can see, it's just going through and checking off everything that's identified in the sample video. Looks like my camera isn't perfectly stable, but it's really not the end of the world. And I'm also not looking directly into the camera at certain times as well. But overall, pretty much everything is a check here. Well-lit environment, strong background contrast, expressive facial movements, subtle body movements. Mouth is visible at all times, and at least 2 minutes of footage. Like I say, you will need at least 2 minutes of footage. And there should only be one person in the forefront, which is me, and then maintain same position in the frame. So those should all come through as check marks. And if we want to improve any of those things, we can. It's going to result in a better avatar. But for the most part, I think this should be good to go. Hopefully even better than my other avatar. And I'm just going to click on submit. So now it's going to upload the video. It's going to do some processing. And as you can see, the avatar look is now being created. And then you'll get a notification in a couple minutes once it's ready via email. And then also over here within HeyGen as well. It says avatar video is ready. So now we can give it a name. I'm just going to call it AI Mike. So I'm curious to see what it looks like. Looks great. And also now there's some movement in the background as well, which is kind of what I was hoping for. So it looks even more real. And my head is just staying looking at the camera most of the time. So that's exactly what I want. And now in the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually create a video with a script in the AI studio. You can use either landscape or portrait mode. But first, before we create the AI avatar video, we need to give it a voice. So in order to do that, we'll come over to AI voice, which is right below avatars. And now we've got a couple different options to choose from. We can either use the voice capabilities that are built into HeyGen, or we can connect up a third-party application, which is called ElevenLabs, in order to provide it a professional voice clone. So it's entirely up to you how you want to do this. For most cases, HeyGen is going to be good enough. But if you want a professional voice clone, which is trained on up to 30 minutes of audio, I recommend using ElevenLabs. I'll show you how to do both of these in this video, in this course, I should say. So if you want to use HeyGen, you can use instant voice cloning right here. And then all you have to do is upload an audio file. Like it's only has to be 2 minutes long, just training it on your voice. And then you can create a voice clone within HeyGen. So that's an option. And I think I have one here already. So if I go down to voice, it looks like I may have already deleted them, unfortunately. But as you can see, I've got a professional voice clone right here, which is actually coming from ElevenLabs. So that one sounds almost exactly like me. And then I've also got the voice clone here, which I believe is from within HeyGen, or maybe it's ElevenLabs. But yeah, if you want to create your own voice clone in HeyGen, you can just do that here. And like I say, you only need to upload 2 minutes of audio. You just simply upload it, and then you can create your own voice clone within HeyGen. Or you can use ElevenLabs, which I'll show you how to connect up and get started with in the next video module. In this part of the course, I'm going to show you how to get started with ElevenLabs to create your own voice clone, which you can then connect up to HeyGen using the API. So first of all, you're going to want to come over to ElevenLabs, the website. And as you can see, it's the most realistic voice AI platform, AI voice models and products powering millions of developers, creators, and enterprises. So you can read through this website and just learn a little bit more about how ElevenLabs works. You can create voiceovers, dubbed videos, podcasts, voice cloning, text-to-speech. It can do a lot of different things. You can also translate your content, like Drew Binsky here is doing, into different languages. So it's pretty powerful. Let's say I wanted to create a video in English and translate it into Thai, for example. We can do that using ElevenLabs as well. It's really amazing what it can do. And it's also got conversational AI built into it and voice cloning, which is mostly what we're going to be using it for in this course. So in order to get started, they do have different pricing plans, of course. The cheapest one is only $5 per month, and I'm actually on the creator plan, which allows you to create professional voice clones. So these are voices that sound almost indistinguishable from your actual voice, and it provides higher quality audio up to 192 kilobits per second. So I recommend the creator plan, and it's only, let's see, $11 per month. Actually, $18 per month, unless you do the yearly plan. So in order to get started, you're just going to sign up for your free account and then come over to log in here. I have to remember which email I created the account with. So let me just log in real quick. Okay, so now I'm logged into my account, and as you can see, this is the dashboard. You've got a lot of different options here: instant speech, audiobook, conversational AI, sound effect, dubbed audio, all these different things. And you can also look through your library or create a clone of your voice. So in this case, we want to click on Clone Your Voice. And from here, you can add a new voice. So as you can see on my plan, I've got access to all of them except for the professional voice clone, because I've only got one slot available. So as you can see, voice limit of 1 reached. I need to upgrade to the business tier to unlock 2 additional slots. But that's fine because I don't need another professional voice clone. I've already got one. And if you want to train it on the instant voice clone, it only needs, I think, like 10 seconds of audio. So it's fairly limited in terms of what you can do with the instant voice clone. But for most cases, it's going to be good enough. But if you want a professional voice clone, I do recommend upgrading to the creator plan. I'll leave a link below where you can create your creator plan on ElevenLabs if you want to do so. And as you can see here, I've already got my which doesn't really sound all that much like me. And then I've also got the professional voice clone. And that one sounds almost identical to my actual voice, right? So if I want to get the voice ID, which I'm going to need later when I show you how to build out the automation, we're going to need the voice ID. We can do so here. And but first we want to connect this up within HeyGen, right? So in order to do that, we're going to come down to here. So click on your profile and then go to API keys right here. This is what you need, API key. So in order to connect it up in HeyGen, we're going to create a new API key. We'll just call it HeyGen for the purposes of this example. And then we're going to create the API key right here. And then you will need to give it access to a couple of these. So obviously you need access to the voice. Let's just use read only. And honestly, that should be good. You might want to turn on text to speech as well if you want those, and maybe speech to speech and speech to text. And that should be good. Maybe voice generation as well. And then we're just going to click on create right here. So there's the API key. So you're just going to copy that and you're going to come back over to HeyGen here and go to integrate third-party voice right here. This is where you're going to import your voice. So once you've created your voice clone, either instant or professional, you can import your voice here, and then you're just going to select ElevenLabs and enter your API key, and then click on confirm. So that will connect up ElevenLabs, and now you can import your voices here. So as you can see, once the API is connected, I'm importing my professional voice clone right here. You just make sure to turn this on, and then it will get access to your voice clone right here. So it actually just imported another one here, which I don't really need. I really am only using the professional voice clone, and that's coming from ElevenLabs, right? So that's pretty much all there is to it for connecting up ElevenLabs to HeyGen, and that will just allow you to create more professional voice clones that sound, like I say, almost exactly like you. And in the next video, I'll show you how to combine the avatar with the AI voice clone to create an entire scripted video, which you can put up on YouTube. In this part of the course, I'm going to show you how to create your own AI avatar scripted video using HeyGen. So I'm already in my projects folder. As you can see, I've already created a lot of different videos, which I'm mostly posting up on my YouTube channel with the AI avatar. And if I want to do that, I can just come on up to create video right here. And then first of all, you'll need to select the portrait, either portrait or landscape mode. In this case, I want to create another one for my YouTube channel. So I'm just going to select landscape video. And that will open up the AI Studio video editor. Now, this already has a pre-made avatar right here, but I don't want to use that one. I want to use my AI avatar that we've already created, right? So I'm going to replace the avatar and I'm going to put mine in there instead. So here we go. And you can also create a lot of different looks as well, which I haven't really played around with too much. I'm just using this one. So we'll import that into the video project. And we're also going to give it a voice as well. So I'm going to select from my voice, the professional voice clone that we've already imported from ElevenLabs, or perhaps you're using your HeyGen generated voice instead. You can select that here. And now we're going to input the script. So we can either speak into it and then it will generate this, it will create the script for you, or you can use ChatGPT, for example, to create a script. So in this case, just as an example, I'm going to tell it to create a script for an AI avatar video introducing people to my free school community, for example. There we go. Now let's see what it comes up with. This is just ChatGPT as a sidebar in Opera, which is the browser that I use. in case you're curious. So we're just going to take that, and obviously the script, you can make it whatever you want. And also I do recommend not including like scene directions in here as well. Actually, in this case, I'm just going to come back over. I'm going to come over to make.com and use an automation that I have for creating scripts. So this basically just creates scripts using make.com. So it's going to, I have one to research the topic and create the script. I also have one that gets transcripts and creates scripts. But where's the one that actually creates the script? Just a basic script. Yeah, I don't see it right off. YouTube transcript, that's not it. So yeah, let's not worry about that right now. I'm just going to use this as an example. And then all you have to do is give it a name, example video, and then just click generate. There we go. You can select the resolution and also frames per second, which I'm going to use 30 frames per second. You can also turn off the watermark if you're on the paid plan, which I recommend doing. And then MP4 is good for the format. And then I'm just going to click submit here. So that's going to take a couple minutes, and then it will create the AI avatar video using the script that we've provided. I'll show you what it looks like after it's finished. We'll be right back. Okay, so now the video is finished. If I want to watch it, I can simply click on watch right here, and we'll see what it looks like. You won't be able to actually hear it, unfortunately, but you can at least see what the video looks like. So we're just going to play this right real quick. That looks pretty good. It definitely looks better than my other AI avatar video, so I was able to fix it up a little bit. And that's pretty much all there is to it for creating the video. And now we can just simply download it by clicking up here, or we can also share it to social media, that sort of thing as well. If you want to send it to anybody, you can do that. And you can also get the video ID from here as well, which we're going to need a little bit later for the automation. So in the next one, I'm going to show you how to actually automate this entire process. And I'm also going to provide you the template as well, so that you can just get the template and put it into make.com. Okay, so here we are inside make.com. If you want to create your free account on make.com, I will leave a link down below. It's an affiliate link, so I'll get a small commission if you sign up. Always appreciated. And then once you're in make.com, you can come over down to scenarios, and I'll show you what the automation looks like. This is for high level, people that want to start automating this sort of thing. I've already created an automation, and there's the template down below. So you can basically download the template and import it into make.com. All you have to do is come down here and then import a blueprint. So you can just import the blueprint, and this will put it straight into make.com. So this one is a little bit complicated. There's more steps in here than you really need if you're just getting started. But the most important part here is, since you can basically generate the script using ChatGPT. You can do the research in Perplexity. And I've also got topics that I'm pulling in from Airtable as well. So basically the different topics that I want to create videos around. And then it's using Perplexity to do the research. So I'm basically just feeding in a topic here and telling it to do research on that topic. And then it's generating the script using an assistant that I've set up. So it's just telling it to create a 5-minute video script for YouTube on that specific topic. In this case, I would actually put, to make sure that it's under 3 minutes long. It can't be longer than 3 minutes long unless you have the pro plan of the API. So it's a little bit complicated, but basically you can only create 3-minute videos using the automation. So in this case, I'm just going to put, a 1,000-word video script, right? Just to make sure that it's less than 3 minutes long. And then it's using that topic, and it's getting the content from Perplexity, that from the research that it's done, right? So that's generating the script. And then you can connect up HeyGen. All you have to do is add a module right here, and then select HeyGen, And this is how you create the avatar video right here. So you just click on create avatar video. It'll put in the module. And then you obviously have to connect this up using you can just log into HeyGen right here and then connect it up to make.com. And then from there, you can just select avatar video. You're going to want to input your avatar ID here as well, which you can get from HeyGen. So we're going to come back over to HeyGen here. And then you click on avatars. And then from here, you're going to want to select your avatar and you can get the avatar ID right here. So you're just going to copy that avatar ID, come back over to make.com, input it here. So that's the specific avatar you want to use. You can also just select it, turn off mapping, and then you can select it from here as well. So we'll pull in all of the different avatars, and then you can select that one. In this case, I'm just going to use the ID. You can set the scale as well, and then most of this you could just keep the same. And then here you're going to want to select voice type as text, and you can pull in your voice clone. So I'm actually not using the right one. I need to select professional voice clone right here. And then we can input the result. So the script right here, we're going to want to feed in the script from that it generated using ChatGPT. And you can also set the voice pitch. Also I'm going to change this to excited for the voice emotion. And title of the video, I'm just using the topic that I'm getting from Airtable. Turn test mode off, and then you can also leave off captions as well. And for my API plan, I can only create up to 720p videos. Unfortunately, I can't use 1080. So you're going to want to use 720 in most cases. And then this right here, I'm basically just waiting 300 seconds so that it has time to generate the video. I found that it doesn't usually take longer than about 600 seconds to create the video. And then over here, we're going to give it the video ID. So based on creating the avatar video, we can feed it in a video ID. So that's the specific video that it created. And all we're doing there is just getting the video. And then here we can get the file. So this is the video URL right here. I think it's actually this one. So this is the video URL that is created in HeyGen. So it's just feeding that in. It's getting the video. And then that's basically downloading the video. This is an HTTP request. So HTTP request, you can get a file right here. And you can basically just download that file. I'm also getting the thumbnail that it's generated as well because it does create a thumbnail. So I'm dragging in the thumbnail URL. It's downloading the thumbnail. And then next, basically you can upload this to Facebook. You can upload it to Instagram. You can upload it to YouTube. There's all sorts of different modules. So if I wanted to upload this to Instagram instead of YouTube, I can easily do that here as well. And I can just go to Instagram, and then I think it would be create a reel post, right? So I can upload the file there to Instagram. But in this case, I want to upload this automatically to my YouTube channel. So I've got my YouTube channel selected. You can give it a title, and then you're passing in the file that you've already downloaded. So that's the first file that we downloaded. And then I'm making it unlisted, and then I can make it public later. And then I'm also making sure to turn on the AI generated label right here. So I want to make sure to say that this video is AI generated. So I'm just going to select yes here, and that will upload the video to YouTube. And then I'm also setting the thumbnail as well. So this is going to be the video ID that we're getting. So we've already uploaded the video. Then we're going to drag in the specific video ID from YouTube, and we're going to upload the thumbnail. So that's the second step right here. Once we've gotten the thumbnail, we can then upload it here. You can also map it as well, but in this case, I'm just going to select this one. And then at the last step is we just update the Airtable. We're basically just saying that we're passing it in the URL, and then we're marking the status as done right here. So if that's too complicated for you, I would recommend just downloading the template so that you don't have to set all of this up yourself. And this is basically just automating the entire process of creating these videos. So in the next module, I'm going to show you what this looks like when it's running, and then also if it actually uploads to YouTube. So I'll see you in the next module. And make sure to grab that template down below if you want to just import this automation. It will do the research in Perplexity, create the video script using a ChatGPT assistant. It'll create the AI avatar video, get the video, download the video, get the thumbnail, upload the video to YouTube, set the video thumbnail, and then update the record. So if everything goes according to plan, this should run and automatically upload the video to YouTube. So let me just first check my Airtable. So it should have some topics in here. I'm just going to click run. And there we go. So now it's doing the research in Perplexity. It's just researching the topic. It's generating the script using a custom AI assistant that I've set up. And then it's going to start creating the AI avatar video based on, it's just going to feed the script straight into HeyGen. And then once the video is finished, it should upload it to YouTube, assuming we don't have any issues here. And unfortunately, it looks like it was no longer found. So that says operation failed with, okay, so it may be the wrong avatar ID. And that makes perfect sense because I've actually created a new avatar, if you remember from earlier. So I need to get the new avatar ID. That's what happened here. So I need to get this ID. And we're going to come back over to make and input that new avatar ID. So now, if we run this again, it should start generating the AI avatar video correctly this time. And then it usually takes about 5 to 6 minutes to create the entire video. That's why I have this wait loop right here, which is just basically waiting 600 seconds, and then it will get the video uploaded to YouTube. So let's see if it works correctly this time. Hopefully it doesn't have any rate limits because I have been hitting some limits. But yeah, so now it's creating the video. 7 AI YouTube automation niches to start in 2025. That's coming from my Airtable, which is that's the topic that I want to create the video on. And here's all of the settings that it's passing into HeyGen right here. And now it's just waiting over here. So if we come back over to HeyGen here and go to projects, you will see that it should be, yep, so there it is. It's creating the video in HeyGen. And hopefully it doesn't have any issues with the time limit. I will come back to you and show you what it looks like once it's finished. So yeah, unfortunately, I was afraid this was going to happen. It had an API video processing error. So if we see here, video is too long, greater than 180 seconds. So you need to upgrade to the Pro plan, which is like $99 per month to use. And I don't really want to do that. So I need to figure out how to make sure that it's less than 3 minutes long. So in order to do that, I will need to probably change my script over here, my prompt. So I'm just going to make it 500 words instead. And then I'm going to click run again. So that's the one issue that I'm having with HeyGen, is that the API only allows you to create videos up to 3 minutes long, and you can't create anything longer than that, unfortunately. So I'm just going to remove this one and try this again. It's creating the script right now using ChatGPT, and then it will create another AI avatar video. Hopefully it will actually work this time. We'll see. So now it's creating the video. If I come back over to HeyGen and refresh, we should see the video being created, and we'll see if it works this time. Yeah, and unfortunately, it still had an error. It says it can't be longer than 180 seconds. So this is this is something that you're probably going to have to upgrade to the Pro plan of the API. Pricing is over here, so it doesn't actually show the API plans here. If we click, oh, here we go. Let's go to API. So let's go to pricing, and then API plans right here. So as you can see, the Pro plan is $99 per month, and you can still only create 1 minute of generated AI avatar videos, which doesn't really do very much. And then the max plan is like $330 a month, which is way too expensive for me. So I'm just using the free plan, and yeah, I'm not exactly sure how to actually get past that step, but you can create the videos still using this script. I mean, this automation, and then you can just feed in the video ID if you want to do it that way. But unfortunately, it looks like for now, I'm not going to be able to use this automation. So I just need to create the scripts manually from projects. Like we did earlier, you just click on create a video, and then you can create the video from within HeyGen. But there are some other things that you can do within make.com, such as creating the scripts. So I have another automation to do that. So if I just search for script right here, it can research a topic and create the video script. So this one is basically just using a couple of the modules, such as Perplexity, to research the topic. So I can just put in a topic here and then research that topic. And then I'm using Claude to create the script right here. So it's creating a 15-word script based on the research. And then it's just creating a Google Doc from that. So I take the script and then I just put it into HeyGen. So that saves me a lot of time to create these videos, and then I can just upload them to YouTube manually. Unfortunately, that's the way I have to do it for now, at least until HeyGen opens up their API for longer videos. I've already contacted customer support, and they've assured me that, unfortunately for now, I will need to upgrade to the Pro plan, which I don't really want to do. But that shows you how to create these video scripts, create your own AI avatar videos, and this basically saves you time and money for your business. Maybe you're not comfortable on the camera and you just want to create these AI videos that you can put up on YouTube or Facebook or wherever you want. I will caution you a little bit because YouTube is starting to crack down on some of this AI generated content. But if you're actually providing value with people, I don't think it should really be much of an issue. So yeah, in the next video, I'm just going to wrap things up and show you the next steps and talk a little bit more about my coaching program as well. First of all, I just wanted to congratulate you on completing this course. I think creating AI avatar videos is going to be amazing for your business moving forward. You can post on social media, you can automate a lot of this stuff, and they also have paid plans as well in HeyGen. So I'm on the creator plan. You can also get the team plan. But yeah, you can create unlimited videos up to 30 minutes, 1080p, fast processing. You can create the AI avatar videos, voice cloning within HeyGen, as well as ElevenLabs. It also supports translations as well, which we didn't touch on in this course. But if you want to make videos in different languages, you can also translate the videos as well and do lip syncing in different languages. So it's very, very powerful. And I also wanted to go over a little bit more details about my coaching program inside school as well. So this is my 6-week AI automation coaching program. It's for anybody that wants to take their AI automations to the next level, to save 20 or more hours per week and grow your business faster. So if you don't know already why AI automations are critical for your business, they allow you to save time, save money, improve customer experience, and scale without burnout. So basically, you can just automate a lot of the repetitive tasks that you're doing without adding more people to your team. If you can set up an AI agent that will do everything for you 24/7, it doesn't sleep, it doesn't make mistakes. This is really, really powerful for your business. So the coaching program is $13.99, and that's for 6 weeks. I provide you all the ready-to-implement AI automations. You get all the templates. You get the strategy call with me, which is 60 minutes, and we can go over basically some of the things that you may want to start automating in your business. And basically I can create an audit for you of your business and show you all of the things that you might want to think about starting to automate. And then you also get the workflows, one-on-one coaching call. That's going to be 90 minutes every week for 6 weeks. So those are Zoom sessions. and it's going to be one-on-one, nobody else, just the two of us. And you also get follow-up support and the automation playbook and templates as well. Many of those are available inside my school community. And then I can also help you do live build outs with you as well and walk you through the process. So if you have any questions, we can go through any questions you have. And the best way to get started is just to book a consultation call. You can use the link here, and then I'll also provide a link below inside this module as well. This is for anybody who wants to, scale up their automation agency or basically start building out automations for clients and for their own business to save multiple hours per week, reduce costs, and close more leads due to faster response times. And I also have a lot of these inside my classroom as well, where you're watching this now. So this one you're watching is actually not available in the classroom, but I've got, not yet, it will be soon. And I've got a lot of the templates in here as well. So if you want access to any of my templates, you can get those in the classroom. And yeah, feel free to send me a DM on school. I'd be happy to help however I can. And with that being said, thank you so much for signing up for this course. And feel free to check out some of my other courses on school as well. Thanks for watching.